Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from Western Union to Pakistan. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Western Union. So go to their site and then you can register. If you don't have an account, you can hit on register and then provide your personal details and IDs and just register and get an account for yourself. Or if you already have an account, you can simply hit on login and then log into your account. So I've already got my accounts. I've already created an account, so I'm just going to log into mine. So log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, so what we're going to do now here is simply, once you've logged into the account, simply click on send money. So this option here. So once you've logged in here, so I'm logged into mine account. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on this send money option. Click on the send money option and then this will take you to this transfer page here. So click on it and then if you want to send it to Pakistan, so this was selected by default, so you just hit on this country here. So that will prompt you to choose the country where you want to send it to. So I'm going to send it to Pakistan. So under this sending to country, choose Pakistan. So simply choose Pakistan, hit on continue. Okay, so click on continue and then what you're going to do now is select your amount that you wish to send, whether the sending amount or the receiver amount. So for example, hit on the receiver amount. So how many local currency in Pakistan that you want to local currency in Pakistan you want to send, you can just type that up. Once I've typed that up, hit on check fees. So this will calculate the transaction fees, the fees here, and then you can select how you want to pay for this transaction, whether by using a credit card or cash in store or whatever. However, I will just choose debit card here. And then how the receiving method, how the receiver wants to receive this. Are they going to pick up by cash or through deposit to a bank account or any other option here? Well, I will just select bank account. Select that and then what you're going to do now, so once you have selected all this, hit on continue. So all you have to do now is simply follow the next few prompts to complete this transaction. Hit on accept and then all you have to do now is simply hit on add new receiver. So you're going to plug in the details of your receiver. So hit on add new and then type in the name, the contact number, all those information. Hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, then it will ask you for your payment. So select the card, whatever card that you want to make this payment with. So select that, provide the card details to complete the transaction, and that's it. You'll be able to complete this transaction, and that's how you're going to send to Pakistan. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.